My name is Joe Erato. I'm the COO of Spaulding Clinical Research. The easiest way to explain what we do is if you have prescription medications, we help determine what goes on the side of that pill bottle. How much to take, how often to take it, what are the side effects. Randy Spaulding worked in this field he worked for Mortera Instrument selling ECG devices and equipment to other phase 1 units like this business, and realized that while the medical industry was using electronic-based systems, phase 1 research, which is responsible for the safety of drugs, was still on paper-based systems. So his vision was opening up a business where we're going to go fully automatic, fully paperless phase 1 unit, the first one in the world. So the innovation we're looking forward to is what we can do with the data that we collect. So essentially when we are operating a clinical trial, we're collecting a ton of data points for health purposes that will be used by data scientists to determine the safety and efficacy of the drug. What we can do with AI is help eliminate some of the more daunting things that data scientists will do to allow scientists, the doctors that are evaluating the data, to look at it much more clearly and make better decisions. So Spaulding Clinical is located kind of in the center of West Bend. It was the St. Joseph's Hospital, and then they moved out several years before we acquired the building. And when Spaulding was starting to be formed, we were looking for location, and Randy Spaulding lives only a few blocks away from here. And we saw the building and just kind of had the vision that this was going to be the place where he wanted to open the business, and everything went from there. We're one of probably 75 to 100 in the entire planet that do what we do. And then for our size, we're a much smaller group. So anytime you drive by the building and you see a state flag or a different country's flag, we're currently working with a pharmaceutical company where they're headquartered in either that state or that country. I've been here since its inception. I really enjoy building the business. I raised my family in the city. I have 6 kids, so they've gone to the schools here. I've been a part of the community for a while. I've enjoyed the people living in West Bend. I like building businesses and growing something and turning this from an idea into what it is now. I would say the biggest attraction to using West Bend, it's a great family town. It's got that feel. For our research trials, we have to keep a really calm environment. Our customers love coming to West Bend because they get to go see downtown, visit the stores. The participants that come in, again, our customers, our staff, all like the area a lot, and it's a really good draw for the city.